Welcome, my friends, to probably your second lesson now. Hopefully, everybody has finished Surf Hawaii, right? It looks something like this. Yours is probably blue. Maybe you picked your colors different. This is Gillian's. But you've got lesson 1 done. And so the second assignment is very important, all right? This is the one where you're going to make a home page. So what's a home page? Well, look at this. Like, here's a list of everybody in the class in first semester. There's Nautica. Let's look at her. This is your home page. See, look, Nautica. She's got her lesson 1. She's got it linked up. So what that means is when I click it, boom, I can see her lesson 1. So that way I can check her work. And then I can go look at her lesson 2. And I can look at each one. So you have to make your home page. That way, as you start to get all these assignments done, you can link them all up and I can give you your grades. So we'll do that together real quick. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start a new file. I'm going to go to File, New, Basic Page, HTML. That should already be selected. And create it. Alright? Or if you just open up Dreamweaver, it might look like this. And you can just say create a new HTML. Either way. First thing I'm going to put a title on this home page. I'm going to call it Richter's Home. Now you're not going to call yours Richter. You call it your name. Whatever that is. But you should give a title to your page. And before I do anything else, I'm going to save this page, just so I don't get screwed up. And you do not want to put this in a folder. Just leave it right where it is in your H drive. And this is very important. Please listen. Make sure when you save it, you call it index. And don't put a capital I. No capital letters. It's got to be lowercase. And don't call it like my home page or my first page. It's got to be called index. It's just a special name. That like years ago when they just created the web, everybody decided, hey, the first page of every website will always be called index. And that way, when someone goes to your web page, like say they go to Yahoo, the computer doesn't know where to start. So all the computers, all web servers in the world have been programmed to always open a file called index first. And then from there, you can find links and go to places. So it's called index, and it should show up and look just like this, right? Index, all by itself. Now let's go ahead and make it. So I'm going to do is put a table. You should have your common view up. There's your table. You could also go insert table, either way. I'm going to insert a table. I'm going to make mine 4 rows and 2 columns, 65%. You know, you can vary that. You can make it 80%, 100%. I like 65%. It's just like part, it's not the whole page. And now I want to make that centered, so you have to click on the table like this so it's highlighted, come to a line and say center. Looks good. I'm going to give it a little bit of color. So background, I'm going to give it a little light gray. And now I'm going to write in assignments and rating. And then I'm going to change my font because I don't like that font. I like Verdana, whatever font you want. Looks better. Maybe if you want bold that. Looks good. So now what you can do is, I think I spelled assignments wrong. Good thing I caught that. There we go. Now you can write in DW1 for Dreamweaver 1. And the rating is like just what you thought about it. Like 5 if you thought like that assignment was pretty nice. I learned a lot, it was cool. 4 is like, yeah, it was alright. 3 is like, it's decent. And so on. 1 is like, I did not like that assignment at all. So it's just kind of like a way for you to tell me. I can kind of see which assignments are most popular and you think are useful, and those are ones that are kind of like and maybe we can get rid of those in the future. So DW1, how do you link it? So you're going to highlight it like that. I'm going to come down to the link button. Now make sure you don't use the wrong one. See this one here that says BG, it looks just like the link. They both have that same little ending. So make sure you're the one that's on top. Click on this little thing that says point to file. Click and hold it and bring it up into your Compass Tours folder, into your Lesson 1 folder, and touch the Surf Hawaii file. So you're going to link it right to that file and it turns blue. I'm going to save it and I want to see if it works. Now if you click it, it won't work. You have to preview it in a browser. You have to press F12. So look down your keyboard. Up towards the top of the keyboard there's a button called F12. You press that button and it will open up in your browser. And now you can click it and it works. Cool? Now one thing I want to show you. When I F12'd it, mine opened up in Chrome. Did you notice that? It opened really fast right away in Chrome. Yours will probably open up in Internet Explorer, which is really slow and sucks. So before you press F12, you should change your Dreamweaver, change your preferences, go to Edit Preferences, and go all the way down here to Preview Browser. And yours probably says Internet Explorer and Firefox. So if it says that, hit the minus, get rid of them. I just killed my Chrome. So you want to clean it all up, and then you want to add in Chrome. So click Add Browser, Application, say Browse. It starts me in Program Files. Look for Google, there's Google. Look for Chrome, Application, there it is, Chrome, click on that. Now say, make that my primary browser. Okay. Now when I press F12, it's going to open up in Chrome, and then it'll be a lot faster. And you can preview, that's all. And so now you should be good to go. And so just remember now, each time you finish an assignment, you can do lesson 2, you're going to come here, you're going to type in Dreamweaver 2, and you're going to go ahead and hit the link, and you're going to link 2. Of course, you haven't done 2 yet, so go back, do 2 now, and then you can link that up, and you can save it, and you keep going, and you'll be on your way to a very successful and hopefully fun web design. Namaste.